How to fix Pinterest app login problem. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because it really helps the channel grow, and if you like the video, like it. First, you don't have to open the app at all because once you open the app it will show you some of the other issues. So you have to open settings, you have to click on apps, and you have to click on Pinterest. Once you search Pinterest, you have to scroll down, you will find multiple options, but here you have to click on storage and cache. Here you have to click on clear cache and then clear storage. Once you do that, you have to go back. If you want to be on a safer end, one more thing you can do is click on uninstall, and once you uninstall the app you have to reinstall it. Make sure to check your internet connection is fine. Mostly once you fix the storage and cache thing, your problem will be fixed of the login problem in Pinterest. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.